What's going on, tool fans? I'm Matt from Addicted to Tools, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that before we delve into today's tools. So what we're looking at today is from Irwin. It's one of their detachable nut drivers. These ones come in a 3-pack and they do come singly. Definitely a lot cheaper to get the 3-pack, and let's have a look at it. So these detachable nut drivers come in 3 sizes: 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8. Alright, so you're probably wondering why I'm doing a review on just some ordinary hex bits. The main difference with these is the detachable head. As you can see, the head pops off. You can do that for all 3. They are interchangeable. Not that you would really need that, but it is good to know. But the main difference is, if I get a whole pile of shavings like that, so many of you will know how much of a pain that is when your bits get full of shavings. Normally you won't have that much in there, but let's say you do. For you guys that don't know, the screw won't fit in there proper. You might be able to get it in there, but it won't hold. It'll fall out and it'll make it hard to screw straight. And so all you have to do, detach it. As you can see, nothing inside. It's all on the magnet. I just use a wet wipe. Clean it up. There you go, no more shavings. So that's the benefit of these. I've been using them in the field for quite a while now. Absolutely love them. And I know a lot of you guys will be saying, well, what about the other ones that are interchangeable? They have 2 sizes on them. They are absolutely great. I have seen them, but we don't have them here in Australia. These are the only ones I have found. But if you know of any others, definitely let me know in the comments. And as you can see, the magnet on these, once it's clean, an absolutely awesome bit. I really do rate these bits. So that's basically it for the Irwin detachable nut drivers. The part number is IW6069127. A great piece of kit. Cost me about 23 bucks from Bunnings. Definitely have a look into that. And if you've got any questions, don't forget to let me know in the comments. Also like and subscribe. Hit me up on Instagram, Addicted to Tools. A lot more content out there. And thanks guys. Have a great day.